Hi there. Are you a business owner thinking of selling your business and wondering whether you need to have a formal business valuation done before you can sell the business? I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, and I'm going to suggest when you may need a formal valuation and those situations when you really don't need a formal valuation if you're selling your business. Okay, so first, what do I mean by formal valuation? Well, just like there are real property appraisers out there, there are business valuation experts who are typically certified or licensed in some fashion and typically have many years of experience in, the financial or business realm. When a business valuation expert is retained to prepare a business valuation, it's a very in-depth review. The expert will review financial statements, operating statements, do interviews with key employees, with management, look at competition, and basically use a ton of data to prepare analyses to arrive at business valuations, sometimes based on several different methods. As you can expect, or as you can imagine, that's a very expensive proposition. Even for a small business, a business valuation done by an expert can cost between $8,000 and $20,000. And if the business is a lot larger, it's going to cost multiples of that. So obviously, in a situation where your business is a small business and you're selling, you may not want to have a formal business valuation done for the mere fact that it's going to cost a lot and it's also going to take a lot of time. Okay, so what are the situations where you really will need a formal evaluation? First situation is if the buyer requires it, as part of its own due diligence. Secondly, if you don't have a buyer yet identified and you're essentially listing your business either with a business broker or in some sort of marketplace, then it's a good idea to have a formal valuation just so you can kind of get the negotiation started on price. When do you not need a formal valuation? Well, if you've already identified a buyer and there have been negotiations back and forth and a price has already been arrived at that both sides are happy with, you don't need a valuation. If some owners of a business are selling their interest to other owners, or if it's a sale to a competitor who's very familiar with your business in the market, if the sale is to key employees, insiders, many times a formal valuation isn't required or even desired because there are negotiations about what the price will be, and both sides end up typically as a result of those negotiations being happy with the price. If you have any questions about selling a business, please give me a call. My contact information is on the website listed in the link below. It's a very complicated process and you're going to need assistance through the entire process. Thanks.